Hello students, today we are studying about the new topic from 11th science, that is structural organization in animal. Do you know about there are different type of animals or organisms present on earth. That organisms may be unicellular or multicellular. In the last topic means in animal kingdom, we have studied about the different type of organisms, different type of animals get divided into different classes, different phylums. But basically there is one criteria for the classification of living organisms, that is presence of cell. Yes, what happens? Do you know about the cell? Cell is an basic fundamental unit of life. Cell is an structural and functional unit of life. There is no any organism that is does not made up from cell. Every organism, every living organism that is made up from cell. Every living organism that is made up from cell. When we take any example from organisms, that is virus is also cell, chlamydomonas is also cell, paramecium is also cell, amoeba also cell, and there are various type of higher organisms are also having the cell is there. That's why this cell is a basic unit of life. What is life? Those things, life means having the different type of characteristics are there. They can move, they can grow, they can reproduce, they can give the response to stimulus. They can maintain the internal environment, means the such type of organisms having life is there. They can made up from structural and functional unit of life, that is the cell, means every living organism that is made up from cell, means the cell is a basic fundamental unit of life, structural and functional unit of life. Do you know about here? Each and every living organism that is made up from cell. कौन सा भी ऑर्गेनिज्म विदाउट सेल का नहीं हो सकता है. हर एक ऑर्गेनिज्म में सेल प्रेजेंट रहती है. इसलिए सेल को अपन क्या बोलते हैं? बेसिक स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ. सेल के सिवा लाइफ कंटिन्यू नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज सिंगल सेल आल्सो परफॉर्म द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटीज टेक्स प्लेस इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. बट हियर डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नंबर ऑफ सेल्स इन एनिमल किंगडम, यू हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द यूनिसेलुलर एंड मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. जैसा सेल नंबर के ऊपर ऑर्गेनिजम्स के दो टाइप्स अपन स्टडी किए वाले किसमें? एनिमल किंगडम में. जैसा जिस ऑर्गेनिज्म में सिंगल सेल प्रेजेंट रहती उसको यूनिसेलुलर बोलते हैं अपन, और जिस ऑर्गेनिज्म में मेनी सेल्स प्रेजेंट है उसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं? मल्टी सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स. हियर डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नंबर ऑफ सेल्स, ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स. one is an unicellular and second one is an multicellular. Unicellular organism means uni means one, cellular means cell. Single cell, the organism that is made up from single cell, that is the unicellular organism. Example, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, These are the examples belongs to unicellular organisms. In this organism there is a single cell is there. Due to presence of single cell, all the body functions takes place in that organisms. All the activities takes place in that organism, that is completed due to presence of single cell. सिंगल सेल के जरिए, सिंगल सेल होने की वजह से उस सेल से ही उस ऑर्गेनिज्म के पूरे लाइफ फंक्शन कंप्लीट हो सकते हैं, लाइफ फंक्शंस कंप्लीट होते हैं. इसलिए अपन सेल को क्या बोला, अपन स्ट्रक्चर लाइन, फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ, फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ, बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ द लाइफ, building blocks of the body. Now here these are the examples belongs to unicellular organisms, that is made up from single cell. That single cell perform the different type of activities takes place in lower organisms, means in unicellular organism. Okay. Now next one is, there is in second group is there multicellular. Many, multi means many, cellular means cells. The organism that is made up from many cells, that are the multicellular organisms. As like poriferans are multicellular, coelentrates are also multicellular, means from porifera to mammals. All these organisms are multicellular organisms. In unicellular organisms there is in body functions performed due to presence of single cell, but in multicellular organisms there is a group of cell is there that is useful for to perform the different type of life activities. जैसा अमीबा में एक ही सेल प्रेजेंट है, वो पूरे बॉडी के फंक्शंस कंप्लीट हो सकते हैं उसमें. जैसा लाइफ प्रोसेसेस के बारे में अपन डिस्कस किए वाले 10th क्लास में, कौन सा, डाइजेशन, न्यूट्रिशन, एक्सक्रीशन, देन कंट्रोल, कोऑर्डिनेशन, रिप्रोडक्शन. दीज आर द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लाइफ प्रोसेसेस टेक्स प्लेस इन ईच एंड एवरी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. बट इन हायर एनिमल्स हैविंग देयर इज एन स्पेशलाइज्ड सिस्टम्स आर देयर that is useful for to perform the such type of functions. But in lower organisms, means in unicellular organisms having single cell is there, there is no any particular system for to complete the such type of life processes, but single cell can perform the life processes. Single cell can complete the life processes takes place in that cells, means the digestion is completed, respiration is completed, control, coordination is also completed, excretion is also completed, means single cell also perform the different type of life activities. And in multicellular also there is in particular systems are there that is useful for to complete the different type of life processes in living organisms. Means here many cells, the organisms that is made up from many cells, that are called as multicellular. In multicellular organisms, what happens, there is in different grades of organizations are there. You have already studied about the grades of organization in animal kingdom. Different type of grades of organization are there, that is those organisms that are having only cells are there, tissue formation is not there, cellular grades of organization is there. Second, tissue grades of organization is there. Third, organ grades of organization is there. Fourth, organ system grades of organization is there. Fifth, system grades of organization is there. These are the different type of grades of organization present in multicellular organism. Means in multicellular organism there are many cells are there. Many cells combines to form tissue. Many tissues combines to form organ. Organ combines to form organ system. Many organ system combines to form organism. For example, human being. In human body, there are different type of systems are there. Digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, nervous system, endocrine system, skeletal system, reproductive system. All these systems are there, but in systems organs are there. In organs there are different type of tissues are there. In tissues there are cells are there, means cells combines to form tissue, tissue combines to form organ, organ combines to form organism, organ combines to form organ system combines to form organism. Digestive system consists of mouth, buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine. When we take any example from this system, that is stomach. Stomach having different type of cells are there. Stomach having different type of tissues are there. The tissues formed from cells. Cells combines to form tissue. Tissue combines to form organ. Organ combines to form organ system. Organ system combines to form organism. Organ system combines to form organisms. In this way, in multicellular organisms, there are different type of cells are there. That cells combines to form tissue. In structural organization in animals, we have first of all studied about the animal tissues. Animal tissues. In multicellular organisms, there is many cells are there. Cells combines to form tissue. Which cells combines to form tissue? The cells that get originated from same origin. The cells having the same structure. Cells having the common functions. Such type of cells combines to form tissue. Tissue combines to form organ, organ combines to form organ system combines to form organism. But in this chapter, first of all, we studied about the tissues present in animals. Tissues present in animals. First of all, what is the tissue? This tissue, first of all, in this topic, we have studied about the tissues. टिश्यू मीन्स ग्रुप ऑफ सेल. कौन से सेल्स जिसका ओरिजिन सेम है, स्ट्रक्चर सेम है और कॉमन फंक्शन कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं, ऐसे सेल का ग्रुप जो रहता है उसको अपन बोलते हैं टिश्यू. नाउ हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी स्टडी अबाउट द एनिमल टिश्यूज. मीन्स animal tissue. First of all, what is meant by tissue? Tissue means a group of cell having common origin, a group of cell having common origin, same structure and function. A group of cell having the common origin, same structure and function, such type of cells are called as tissues. A group of cells having common origin and structure and functions also, common structure and functions also, such type of group of cell is called as tissue. Group of cell having common origin means that cells get originated from embryonic germinal layer, common origin, similar origin, common origin, and having the structure is same. Those cells, that cells structure is also same, structure is same, similar type of cells that get originated from common origin, and they can perform the common function, same function. जैसा जिस सेल का ग्रुप ऐसा है जो जिसका ओरिजिन सेम है, स्ट्रक्चर सेम है और परफॉर्म कॉमन फंक्शन, उसका फंक्शन भी कॉमन है, ऐसे सेल का ग्रुप जो रहता है उसको अपन क्या बोलते हैं? टिश्यू बोलते हैं. ग्रुप ऑफ सेल हैविंग सिमिलर ओरिजिन, सिमिलर स्ट्रक्चर एंड परफॉर्म कॉमन फंक्शन. Group of cell having common origin, same structure and function, such type of group of cell is called as tissue. Okay, now do you know about here a branch of science deals with the study of tissue is an histology. A branch of science, histology means histose word is related to, histo word is related to tissue. Logos means to study. Logos means to study. A branch of science deals with the study of tissue is called as histology. A branch of science deals with the study of tissue is called as histology, and this histology term given by scientist Mayer scientist. The term histology coined by, term histology given by scientist Mayer. Yes. Now who coined the term tissue? Tissue term coined by F.X. Bichat. Term tissue coined by, term tissue given by the scientist F.X. Bichat. And now this F.X. Bichat is also considered as father of histology. Father of histology. Who was the father of histology? F.X. Bichat. F.X. Bichat नाम का जो साइंटिस्ट है वो क्या है, उनको क्या बोलते हैं अपन? फादर ऑफ हिस्टोलॉजी. हिस्टोलॉजी मीन्स स्टडी ऑफ tissues. This histology term coined by the scientist, given by the scientist Mayer. This tissue term coined by the scientist F.X. Bichat, Francisco Xavier Bichat, F.X. Bichat, and the father of histology is an F.X. Bichat. Now do you know about, in animals there are 4 types of tissues are there. In higher animals there are 4 types of tissues are there. In animals there are 4 types of tissues are there. Number 1 is epithelial tissue. Second one is connective tissue. Third one is muscular tissue, and fourth one is nervous tissues. Basically in higher organisms there are 4 types of tissues are there. Depending upon the structure and functions, there are 4 types of tissues present in higher organisms. That is, the number 1 is epithelial tissues. What is the meaning of epithelium? Means covering. Epithelium means covering tissues. That tissues useful for to cover the inner lining of the body as well as outer lining of the body. In skin there is an epithelial tissues are there. Inner lining of the body as well as outer lining of the body. Do you know about this one is the organ of digestive system? That is the stomach. That is stomach. In stomach, outer covering of the stomach is also covered by epithelial tissues, and the inner covering of the tissue is also covered by epithelial tissues. Not only stomach is not covered, but each and every organ present in human body or animals that get covered by those tissues that are the epithelial tissues. Outer lining of the body, inner lining of the body, outer covering of any organs like liver, lung, heart, kidney, all these organs get externally covered by the tissues that are called as epithelial tissues. That are the epithelial tissues. That are covering tissues present in living organisms. Covering tissues. Okay? Means these epithelial tissues are the covering tissues. Means what is the function of the tissues? Protection. They give protection to the delicate underlying tissues. Our skin gives protection to our body. Below to the skin means in skin there is an epithelial tissues are there. Below to the epithelial tissues there is an delicate tissues are there that get protected due to presence of these epithelial tissue. That's why these are useful for protections. Underlying connective tissues are useful for gives protection to the body. Gives protection to the bodies. Now next one is the second one is connective tissue. Connective tissue means the tissues which are useful for to connect the different type of organs present in the body. That is the connective tissues. Do you know about the in body there are different type of organs are there. All these organs get connected to each other. जैसा कि अपने बॉडी में देखे अपने बहुत सारे बोन्स प्रेजेंट है. 206 bones are there. That bones get attached to each other, connected to each other. जैसा अपन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में देखे स्टमक प्रेजेंट है, इंटेस्टाइन प्रेजेंट है, एलिमेंट्री कैनाल के हर एक पार्ट्स को एक दूसरे को बाइंड करने का काम, कनेक्ट करने का काम जो टिश्यू करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं अपन कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज. जैसा अपन अपने बॉडी में जितने भी ऑर्गन्स प्रेजेंट है उसको बाइंड करने का काम, कनेक्ट करने का काम जो टिश्यू करते हैं बॉडी में, उस टिश्यूज को अपन क्या बोलते हैं? अपन कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज बोलते हैं. नाउ थर्ड वन इज द इन मस्कुलर टिश्यूज. In human body there is an 40% weight of the body is occupied due to presence of different type of muscles, and that muscles are belongs to muscular tissues. Do you know about there is an involuntary muscles? Involuntary muscles and cardiac muscles are there. Voluntary means ऐच्छिक, अपनी इच्छा के अनुसार जिस मसल की हलचल हो सकती है. जैसे अपना हैंड है, यहाँ पे मसल्स प्रेजेंट है. ये मसल्स कौन से? वॉलुंटरी है, क्योंकि अपने हैंड्स की जो हलचल है अपनी इच्छा के अनुसार कर सकते हैं, इसलिए उसको अपन वॉलुंटरी बोलते हैं. जैसा अपन फूड मटेरियल खाए, उस फूड मटेरियल को डाइजेशन करना है तो अपन अपनी इच्छा के अनुसार नहीं कर सकते. क्यों? बिकॉज आवर एलिमेंट्री कैनाल डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम that is made up from involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles means that muscles does not work on our will power. अगर जैसा डाइजेशन अपने विल पावर पे होता तो जितना भी फूड मटेरियल खाओ डाइजेस्ट हो सकता था. दैट इज डिपेंड्स अपॉन विल पावर. बट ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? नहीं हो सकता. क्यों? बिकॉज देर इज एन स्पेशलाइज्ड, देर इज एन इनवॉल्यूंटरी मसल्स आर देयर. That muscles are concerned with two involuntary activities. different type of involuntary activities in the body that get controlled by that involuntary muscles. First one is voluntary muscles, means the activities get control on our willpower, movement of tongue, movement of eyelids, movement of hands, movement of legs, movement of neck. All these activities takes place on, means all these movements takes place on our willpower. That's why that are voluntary. ऐच्छिक, इनवॉल्यूंटरी, अनैच्छिक. जैसा ब्लड सर्कुलेशन अपने हिसाब से नहीं हो सकता, जैसा यूरिन फॉर्मेशन अपने विल पावर पे हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है, जैसा डाइजेशन प्रोसेस अपने विल पावर पे होता है, नहीं हो सकता है. मीन्स वो कौन सी प्रोसेस है? इनवॉल्यूंटरी प्रोसेस है. कौन कंट्रोल कर रहा है? ऑटोनमस नर्वस सिस्टम. किसकी वजह से? बिकॉज दैट organs get made up from which muscles? Involuntary muscles, and that are belongs to muscular tissue. That is belongs to muscular tissue. Now do you know what? There is a third type of muscle is also there, cardiac muscles. आपने सुना होगा cardiac word, cardiologist, cardiac center. Cardiac word is related to heart. Our heart is made up from specialized muscles. That muscles are called as cardiac muscles. जैसा मैंने पहले कौन सा बोला? वॉलंटरी मसल्स. दूसरा कौन सा बोला मैं? इनवॉलंटरी मसल्स. तीसरा कौन सा बोल रहा हूँ मैं? कार्डियक मसल्स. वॉलंटरी मसल्स हार्ट में है क्या? नहीं है. इनवॉलंटरी मसल्स हार्ट में है क्या? है, लेकिन उसका स्पेशलिटी अलग है. In heart there is a special type of muscles are there. That muscles are called as cardiac muscles. That cardiac muscles having the characteristics to undergoes contraction, relaxation, contraction, relaxation. That's why the pumping mechanism of the heart takes place continuously due to presence of these cardiac muscles. That cardiac muscle shows autorhythmicity, rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the muscles takes place. That's why these muscles are present in wall of heart. Instead of these, there is another muscles are there. The contraction and relaxation of the heart does not takes place properly because that is made up from special type of muscles that are the cardiac muscles. Belongs to muscular tissue. Voluntary, involuntary and cardiac. These are the three types of muscles that belongs to muscular tissue. Okay. Now fourth one is the nervous tissue. Fourth type of tissues are the nervous tissues. The tissues which are present in nervous system of human being or any animals, that are the nervous tissues. In human being, in nervous system there is a specialized cells are there. That cells are called as neurons. क्या बोलते हैं अपन? न्यूरॉन्स, नर्व सेल, चेता पेशी बोलते हैं अपन उसको. These neurons are the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Neurons are the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Means our nervous system get formed due to presence of special type of tissues that are the nervous tissue. जैसा अपने बॉडी के बारे में अगर सोचा तो अपनी बॉडी किससे बनी वाली है? ये चार टाइप्स की टिश्यू के बारे में, टिश्यू से बने वाले. इपिथेलियल टिश्यू, कवरिंग टिश्यू. जितने भी बॉडी के अंदर ऑर्गन्स हैं, बाहर से या अंदर से, उसको जो कवर करने वाले टिश्यू प्रेजेंट है उसको बोलते हैं अपन कवरिंग टिश्यू. ये उसको इपिथेलियल टिश्यू बोलते हैं. सेकंड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. अपने बॉडी में जितने भी ऑर्गन्स प्रेजेंट है उस ऑर्गन को कनेक्ट करना, उस ऑर्गन को सपोर्ट देना. जैसा अपने बॉडी में फ्लूइड भी प्रेजेंट रहता है, उस दैट फ्लूइड फ्रॉम द बॉडी इज आल्सो बिलोंग्स टू कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. वो ट्रांसपोर्ट का फंक्शन अपने बॉडी में करती है. फ्लूइड सपोर्ट एंड बाइंड, binding, supporting and fluid. This binding of different organs present in body gives support to the body. Do you know what our body get supported by the special type of tissues present in human body, that are the bones is an example of supporting tissue. अपने बॉडी में अगर बोन्स नहीं है, कैसा शेप होगा बॉडी का? एक मांस का गोला रहेगा. जिसका शेप इरेगुलर शेप रहेगा। कोई डॉर्फ है, कोई हाइटेड है, ऐसा किसको कोई नहीं बोल सकते थे। क्यों? there is no any supporting tissues, there is no any bone. If there is any supporting tissue is there, skeletal feature, skeletal structure, body posture get maintained due to presence of supporting tissues present in connective tissue. Connective tissues are concerned with to give the support to bind the different organs present in body, that are also useful for to transport the metabolites from one place to another place. That is also functions takes place by connective tissues. Muscular tissue that are concerned with to brings the different type of movement takes place in the body. Movements in the body, movements takes place in the body due to presence of muscular tissues. And this nervous tissue present in brain or in nervous system, that is useful for to control and coordination function. The nervous tissues present in nervous system useful for to conduction of nerve impulses. All these four types of tissues that are useful for, that are present in living organisms, and living on every living organisms means multicellular organism that is made up from these four types of tissues are there. It is about the types of tissues present in living organism in